Hello everyone, Adrienne here. So today I'm going to be supporting yet another small business and independent brand that I think does incredible work. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Lunam Love subscription box, and I will be going through the items in here, and the owner of the shop was also kind enough to send me a replacement for one of the items that she had stored in here as well, because I guess it didn't turn out quite the way she wanted the first time, I think. So let me give you a little bit of background about my spiritual beliefs and everything like that. I'm kind of in the same boat as Angela Benedict, and that is how I grew up. I kind of dabbled in and out of anything involving paganism, witchcraft, the occult, things like that. And of course that sort of thing has always fascinated me. Though I was raised Catholic, I did still have that propensity toward paganism, New Age, metaphysical stuff, and things like that. I would definitely refer to myself as a spiritual agnostic. I do believe in the kind of energies of the universe kind of thing, but I do put a lot of credence in science and medicine and everything like that. When I was growing up in Yakima, there was only one shop that catered to anyone of the pagan and New Age sort of mindset and religious path, and that was called Soul Seeker. You guys have probably seen a couple videos of me like getting my ears pierced at Soul Seeker or getting my belly button pierced a long time ago, but that piercing no longer exists. It got rejected twice. Every time I would walk in there, I would feel this overwhelming sense of peace and tranquility, and I felt like I could actually focus. And even now, as an adult, I get that same feeling of comfort and peace whenever I go into a metaphysical shop, New Age shop, things of that nature. So let me give you a little bit of background on Lunam Love and how I found them. So earlier this year, Kenny and I went to the Endless Night Vampire Ball in Las Vegas. I did reunite with my good friend Rose Sinister of the Rose Sinister Vampire podcast. I met her in New Orleans in 2015, and this was my first time seeing her in 4 years in person. And I was absolutely thrilled to see her, and I met a whole bunch of wonderful people. And apparently I was recognized by Father Sebastian. Yeah, he recognized me. Apparently he watches my channel. Anyway, so I had a really good time there, and in the room that had a whole bunch of booths for independent shops and creators and clothing makers and things like that, one of them was for Lunam Love. She had gone to Las Vegas for the Endless Night Vampire Ball to have a blast, and also to sell some of her product as well. Now, her products, oh my god, seeing them in person really made me intrigued, because honestly, I really love things like, you know, sage and incense and herbs and spices, and that kind of sense of authenticity when it comes to certain types of things produced for witch shops and the like. Now when it comes to her stuff, I saw it in person. It is all handmade, and I found that so impressive. I was so impressed by that. When you get a look of her stuff, you kind of get the idea that she's a witch living in the middle of the woods, growing all of her own herbs and flowers and making all of this stuff by herself in a little cottage somewhere. And I really love that vibe. It kind of gives it a more authentic, witchy kind of feeling, and you can tell that a lot of intention and a lot of love goes into it. So that is very much appreciated and something that I value with her shop. It's definitely not like a lot of witch shops that I have seen online. Like, don't get me wrong, I have been intrigued by seeing the unboxings for things like Goddess Provisions, Moon Box, Witch's Moon, Witch's Box, things like that. I've been intrigued by those things, but there was something that wasn't quite connecting with me whenever I would see those unboxings, and it's not necessarily due to the people or anything like that. It had more to do with a lot of the stuff just not really connecting, if that makes any sense. Like feeling a bit mass produced. So when it comes to these subscription boxes by Lunam Love, they are all items made by her instead of items grabbed from different independent stores. And I think that adds an extra layer of authenticity and passion and intention that goes into it. Now, as far as this particular subscription box is concerned, this is the one that I got for July, and I had unfortunately been putting off filming a review of it for a while because I got caught up in a whole bunch of other things. That kind of sucked, but what can you do? I saw her post about her next subscription box for October that is Halloween themed and Samhain themed, coming out soon, and she's been advertising that, and I've been super thrilled and excited. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to spread the word about her product and talk about the previous subscription box to get people excited about the next one, because honestly, like I said, being someone who did see the products in person, I can attest to the quality and authenticity. And I want you guys to experience that too. And in doing so, you're also going to be supporting a wonderful independent creator who does amazing work. She really appreciates it. All right, I have my box. I have the replacement candle that she sent me. I just got this in the mail yesterday. And I have my scissors. Let's do this. So let's start with the note that she left. Hello, and thank you to everyone who purchased the summer subscription box. This box was designed to help you connect to the element of water, oceanic energy, increasing intuition, fine-tuning psychic and empathic abilities, raising your vibration, and healing. I really love what she does here. The element of water associates with the psychic mind, the moon, dreams, emotions, and is the ruling planet of Pisces, Cancer, and Scorpio. Kenny's a Cancer. Every item in this box was created with intention and charged with Reiki energy and an Atlantean water energy technique. For each individual box, I intuitively pulled a card from the Energy Oracle deck by Sandra Ann Taylor. Light your tin candle or spell, relax your mind, and let the card speak to you. Look at the imagery. What stands out to you? What do you feel when looking at this card? Write down what your intuition tells you. I didn't include the book meaning in this box because I wanted you to use your intuition first. There is a free app on iTunes of this deck, or send me a message either via email or Instagram DM, and I will send you the book meaning. Please tag my Instagram with any photos. I love hearing from all of you. With love, Kelly Elvina. And she is such a sweetheart. When I met her in person in Las Vegas, I was extremely thrilled by how sweet she was, and she's also gorgeous. She's so gorgeous. Okay, so here we go. Summer subscription box. Element of Water tin candle, Element of Water ritual oil, Free Your Mind soap, Psychic Vision spell kit, Free Your Mind crystal set, and an oracle card chosen by intuition. Okay, the oracle card that I got in this subscription box was the Temple Path. I have no idea what this is, but this is all very lovingly packaged. I'm so happy. Very gently opening this. So it looks like salt and cone incense. I have no idea what kind of cone incense this is, but whatever it is, it was made by her. Alright, let's see what we got here. So basically these are instructions for spell casting, and this is for Psychic Vision water spell. And I really love how in-depth she goes into the instructions and everything like that. I think that's awesome. So I'm not going to bore you with going through the details of this, but there will be something similar, I imagine, if you get the next subscription box. Going into this little pouch. Feels like crystals. So this is the Free Your Mind crystal set. Meditate with this set of crystals. Carry this crystal set with you or place by your bed while you sleep to increase intuition and to clear and relax your mind. So the first stone that they mention here is selenite. cuts cords and removes negative energy and connects to the higher realms. Crystal quartz is the stone of clarity, connects the crown chakra and increases psychic abilities as well as provides protection. Amethyst connects to the third and crown chakras and has a very calming energy. Larimar connects to the energy of the sky and sea, ancient wisdom of Atlantis, and harmonizes the body and the soul. And 3 peacock ore, known as the stone of the mystic, opens crown chakra and aids in meditation. So this one looks like the clear quartz. This one definitely looks like selenite. Oh my god, it glows. That is so pretty. I love that. I'm guessing that this one is the Larimar. This obviously is the amethyst because it's that vibrant purple that we all know and love. And then these are the peacock ore. That is so gorgeous. It looks like the ocean. That is so pretty. It's not like other subscription box where they just take bits and pieces from other stores and shops and everything like that. It's all her. It's all her stuff. And that gives it intention and more authenticity, in my opinion. Okay, so this is the Element of Water candle, and she said that this one is... I guess it doesn't perform as well as the new one that she has made, so she was kind enough to send me a replacement for that. So there's a description on the back of this as well. This candle connects to the element of water, the energy and magic of the 7 seas, and the legends passed down through the ages. The element of water associates with the psychic mind, the moon, dreams, emotion, and is the ruling planet of Pisces, Cancer, and Scorpio. Water is very cleansing and healing. When meditating with this candle, envision the energy and waves of the ocean and allow the aroma and magic to relax you and connect you to this element. This actually came at a very good point in my life where I moved from Yakima to Whidbey Island, and my entire life I have felt completely out of my element, pardon the pun, and out of place in Yakima, and my constant illness with my allergies and everything like that was just not sitting well with me when I was living in Yakima. But since moving here to the island, I've felt a lot more at peace. I feel like my mental health is so much better, and I feel like my allergies have gotten a lot better as well. So being in that place, I was constantly sick with allergies, and it was just really awful. And plus this place is beautiful. It's not nearly as hot as it is in Yakima, and that's better for my blood pressure as well. And my whole life I have wanted to live in a place by the water, and I finally have done that. So I just want to go ahead and open this for you guys. Oh my god, that smells exactly like the ocean. Oh man, I really wish I had smell-o-vision, but I don't. Oh, that smells wonderful. And of course I live by the ocean, so I would know. And the next thing I want to show you guys is the Free Your Mind Ritual Soap. So this soap clears away busy thoughts and expands the third eye and crown chakra and increases and fine-tunes intuition and psychic abilities. Great to use before meditation, divination work, and rituals. Safe for daily use. And of course everything that she makes here is vegan and cruelty-free. This is really pretty. I don't know if you can see much of it, but she has herbs kind of sitting on top of it right here. That's so cute. And like I said, I kind of get the impression that she's like a witch living in the middle of the woods, growing all the stuff herself and making it herself. It's just awesome. I love it. Oh, that just smells so fresh. So let's see what we got here. So peppermint essential oil. I knew I smelled peppermint when I opened this thing. Lemongrass essential oil, herbal blend, mugwort, lemongrass, peppermint, mica soap colorant, magic, Reiki energy, and intention. I like that she includes the Reiki energy and intention in the ingredients list. Oh, that just smells so incredible. And being someone that has racing thoughts as it is with my ADHD, anything that will calm my brain down is totally welcome here. Anything. Okay, so the next thing we have is the Element of Water Ritual Oil. Use in ritual to anoint candles with intention, crystals, self, before divination or dream work, as well as other uses. So again, here's what that looks like, and it's kind of bluish. And once again, you have herbs actually floating in here. That is just amazing. Man, I'm really happy with how well put together this is. This is great. And finally, we have a pillar candle that is also covered with herbs and also smells incredible. Okay, so this is the Psychic Vision candle among her collection, and some of this is exclusive stuff that you can only get in this subscription box, but then other stuff in here is stuff that you can buy from her shop. So I think it's great that she mixes those two things together. It's fantastic. For the replacement candle that she sent me, she was so kind to send it to me. I really appreciate it. When I told her I was getting ready to shoot this video, she said, "Oh, let me send you a replacement for this," because it just didn't quite work. So here we are now, tearing it open like a savage. Okay, so this is basically an updated version of the element of water, so I'm really glad that she did reformulate this to make it better. So thank you very much for all of the love that you pour into your work. You are amazing. And plus, I'm not going to complain about more candles. No, not at all. So guys, that was the Lunam Love subscription box. So this particular subscription box came out in July, and the next one is going to be coming out in October. So you have until October 5th to order your October subscription box. I will leave a link for Lunam Love's Etsy shop down in the description below, and her Instagram and whatnot. Like I said, guys, she does amazing work. She really puts a lot of love and intention into what she creates here, and I deeply, deeply appreciate that, and I want to support it, and I want to give her more exposure. I actually did look on YouTube to see if there were any other reviews of Lunam Love, and unfortunately I only found one. And I want to make a difference by giving her the attention and the recognition that she deserves for her hard work. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please go show Lunam Love your support. She really deserves it. She's wonderful, and anything that you buy from her shop, even if it's not a subscription box or anything like that, you are still supporting her and her family, and just supporting a wonderful person that works hard. So today I'm also going to be filming an absinthe review, and I have a very, very special surprise for you. I am so excited to share it with you today. You have no idea. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys later. Bye!